안녕하세요 여러분, 수칭입니다 and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is inspired by this Korean ulzzang pretty girls that I always see on Instagram. So I decided to make a makeup look that is K-pop and ulzzang inspired. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. First, I'm priming my face with this hydrating moisturizing primer so my skin will look healthy and plump. Then I'm applying this foundation that has a very dewy finish. The Korean girls that I always see online, they always have this very healthy looking, dewy, wet kind of skin look, and that's why I'm using this foundation and I want to achieve that kind of healthy skin kind of look. And then I'm using my trusty Too Faced concealer to cover up any imperfections on my face. And since I already have foundation on, I'm only gonna conceal a few imperfections on my face. I want my skin to look as light and healthy and dewy, as natural as possible. And then to set all this dewiness, I'm going to use a mattifying powder just to make sure that the shine and oils will not poke through from the skin. Using a brush, I'm going to use one of the darker brown shade in the Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette to draw out my eyebrows. For my eyeshadow look, first I'm going to use this light brown shade all over my lids and also applying some under my eyes. Using a cooler tone brown color, I'm going to apply it just like the bottom of my eyelids area, the area that's very close to my lash line, as well as the bottom of my eyes. And then using a dark reddish brown color, I'm going to apply it on the outer corners of my eyelids as well as the inner corner of my eyelids, leaving the middle part untouched. And I'm blending the same reddish brown color only on the outer corners of the under eye. To accentuate my aegyo style, my eye bags, I'm going to use the glitter eyeshadow on the bottom of my eyes. Using a dark brown gel liner, I'm going to line my eyes, but instead of a cat eye, I'm going to draw kind of downwards. That's how Koreans draw their eyeliner. And then I'm coating my lashes with the Maybelline mascara. But before I apply mascara on the bottom lashes, I'm going to apply more glitter using the Etude House Mirrorholic on the bottom of my eyes. It's essentially to make my eyes pop and also to accentuate the aegyo style more. After that, I'm gonna apply the mascara onto the bottom lashes. And that is the end for the eye makeup. As for my blush, I'm using these two lip glosses. One is a rosy red tone and another one is a orangey tone. I'm mixing these two colors together and then use it on my cheeks as a cream blush. Using a wet wipes, I'm cleaning off the foundation or any products on my lips. I'm using a bright red color on my lips today, and instead of using fingers, I'm gonna use a brush to blend it all out.
태양 때문인지 몰라도 얼굴이 붉어졌을 거야 아마도 기분 탓인지는 몰라도 네 볼에 빨개지는 것은 나도 봤다고.
And then to finish this makeup look, I'm applying a bit of lip gloss on the lips and blend it out using the fingers. And the makeup look is done. And this is the completed makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys sometime soon. Bye!